Do you know how Netflix transformed from DVDs to an OTT platform? Do you know how Starbucks built a global coffee empire? Do you know how Airbnb disrupted the hotel industry? This is all done by environmental scanning. What is environmental scanning? Environmental scanning is needed to build a product, improve an existing one, or run operations smoothly in an organization. In real terms, it is a process where we collect data from internal and external factors of an organization. To do environmental scanning, we need to know the factors first. These factors are broken down into two types: internal and external. Let's deep dive into internal and external factors. Now, internal factors mean inside of the company, which includes employees, organizational structure, financial capabilities, market trends, and technology. External factors are outside of the company, which include politics, the economy, the market, suppliers, competitors, and customers. Now, the really exciting practical part is analyzing the environment. How to conduct environmental scanning. Step 1. Understanding industry and competition. Let's take an example to understand this better. Imagine a woman in her kitchen thinking about starting a cookie business. She loves baking and wants to turn her passion into a business. But before she starts, she needs to analyze her environment to make the right decisions. How can she use environmental scanning to turn her idea into a successful business? First, she needs to understand the industry. Are people buying homemade cookies? Who are her competitors? To know the industry and competition, she must analyze market demand. Are people interested in homemade cookies? Competitor research. Who are the existing players? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Customer sentiment analysis. What do people like and dislike about current options? Pricing and positioning. How are competitors pricing their cookies? Where should she position her brand in the market? Before launching, she needs to check if there's demand for homemade cookies. First, she searched her business term, homemade cookies, on Google Trends to see the search volume trends over time. Then, she searched the term on Google and observed the types of websites appearing on search results, the recipes and articles ranking on top. To get exact search numbers, she used Google Keyword Planner to find how many people search for homemade cookies monthly. She wanted to know what people are asking, so she used alsoasked.com to explore common customer questions related to homemade cookies. To check trends on social media, she searched #homemade cookies on Instagram and found the number of posts, showing its popularity. She also wanted to know about similar products or flavors that people search for, so she checked the People Also Search For section on Google. This helped her discover other popular cookie varieties that potential customers might be interested in. Now that she knows there is demand, she analyzes her competitors to understand the market landscape and identify opportunities. She started by searching for homemade cookie businesses on Google to explore their websites, studying their product offerings and branding strategies. Next, she analyzed top competitors' social media pages to see how they engage customers. She also searched for popular cookie products on Google to identify trending flavors and variations. To get deeper insights, she explored top bakeries that offer cookies on Swiggy and Zomato. She checked their ratings, customer reviews, and menu offerings to understand customer preferences. Finally, she discovered that most bakeries serve cookies as part of their menu, but there are also brands that specialize only in cookies. This insight helped her understand the competition. After understanding the competitors, she now focuses on customer sentiment analysis to find what people love and what they dislike about homemade cookies. She started by reading customer reviews on Amazon, Swiggy, and Zomato. She carefully analyzed both positive and negative reviews to identify patterns in customer expectations. From her research, she found that most customers value affordability, taste, freshness, and consistent quality in cookies. These key factors would help her shape her product offering. Next, she examined competitor pricing and positioning. She checked how different cookie brands are priced on Swiggy and Zomato. She noted the price range for different types of cookies across multiple brands. To compare further, she searched for cookie prices on Google Shopping. This gave her insights into online pricing trends across various platforms. Finally, she studied the types of discounts and deals offered by competitors. She observed how brands use limited-time offers, combo deals, and seasonal discounts to attract customers. As she analyzed competitor positioning, she discovered how different brands differentiate themselves in the market. She found that brands highlight their unique selling points to attract customers. For example, Cocosutra positions itself as a brand that offers freshly baked cookies shipped within 24 hours, with a crunchy and chewy texture. On the other hand, Swedish House Mafia is known for its freshly baked, eggless cookies, catering to a wider audience with dietary preferences. Understanding these brand positions helps her decide how to differentiate her own homemade cookies in a competitive market. Now that she understands market demand and competitors, the next step is evaluating her internal resources. She conducts a SWOT analysis to assess her business potential. To make it clearer, she lists her strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By structuring her SWOT analysis in a table, she gains a clear understanding of her business. Now she knows what to leverage, where to improve, and how to position herself in the market. Now that she has analyzed her business internally, the next step is value analysis. This process helps her maximize efficiency while reducing costs. Throughout the process, she focuses on increasing efficiency and minimizing expenses while maintaining quality. Let's dive deeper into the process, starting with sourcing ingredients. In this step, ingredients like dough, sugar, flour, and butter are key cost factors. To reduce costs while maintaining quality, she considers buying in bulk, sourcing directly from farmers, or tracking inflation and price fluctuations to purchase at the right time. The next step is production, where key processes like mixing, baking, cooling, and drying take place. The goal is to make perfect cookies while minimizing waste. To achieve this, she adopted batch production, invested in low-energy consumption tools, and implemented regular quality checks. The next step is packaging, where packing, wrapping, and collecting the products take place. The goal here is to create attractive, cost-effective, and eco-friendly packaging. To achieve this, she adopted a well-designed packaging approach that balances aesthetics, sustainability, and affordability. The next step is marketing, where ads, social media marketing, collaborations, and photo shoots take place. The goal here is to promote the brand on a low budget. To achieve this, she leveraged social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest to maximize reach while keeping costs low. The next step is sales, which includes events, discounts, and offers to promote products while managing CRM to retain customers. She discovered that hosting events and effectively managing CRM can help attract and retain more customers. The next step is delivery, where products need to be delivered on time with minimal cost and fast service. She found that most of her target customers are on Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit, Dunzo, and other quick commerce platforms. Now that she has streamlined her processes, the next step is to build a competitive advantage. This helps her stand out in the market and attract more customers. To become the best seller compared to competitors, she focused on key areas. To be the best, her cookies had to be unique. This required thinking differently, which is called unique product differentiation. She decided to focus on homemade appeal, freshly baked, preservative-free cookies, customizable orders. Customers could personalize flavors, packaging, and gifting options, signature flavors. She created exclusive flavors, making her brand memorable. For example, Ferrero Rocher, This product is differentiated by its multi-layered taste, luxurious branding, and craftsmanship. Next is branding and positioning to establish a strong market presence. To build brand and position in market, she used her journey, values, visual identity. For example, Dove. Let's look at Dove's ad.
Isn't it strange that in a country of 631 million women, there is still only one face of beauty, when there is so much more to be admired? Let's break the rules of beauty.
Dove, which sells soaps, shampoos, and personal care products, built a brand story around "Every skin is beautiful," promoting self-love and confidence. She followed a similar approach to create emotional value for her brand. Next is customer loyalty, where to retain customers, she focused on building loyalty programs by offering exclusive discounts and special offers for existing customers, introducing limited edition flavors to create excitement, providing early access to new products for loyal buyers. For example, Paytm. Paytm built customer loyalty through cashbacks, special offers, a seamless wallet system, and a buy now, pay later feature, keeping users engaged. Next is pricing strategy. She developed a strategic pricing approach to attract different customer segments: budget packs, smaller, affordable packs for first-time buyers, premium bundles, curated gift boxes with an elevated experience, special and bulk order discounts, offers on corporate and bulk gifting. Example, Tanishq. Tanishq follows a premium pricing strategy, positioning its jewelry as high quality and exclusive. Next is partnerships and collaborations. To expand her reach and gain more visibility, she partnered and collaborated with cafes and bakeries to stock her cookies, influencers and food bloggers to promote her brand. For example, Sophie. Sophie collaborated with Sarah Ali Khan, leveraging her influence to build trust and boost brand awareness. Similarly, she collaborated with micro-influencers to enhance her brand's visibility. Next step is to monitor the market and adapt to changes. To stay ahead in the competitive market, she continuously tracks business performance and adapts to changes. This helps her maintain growth, customer satisfaction, and brand relevance. To stay at the top, she identified 4 key focus areas: track sales and customer preferences, monitor competitor strategies, adapt to market trends, expand gradually. To achieve this, she uses tools like Google Trends, social media platform analytics, Meta and Google Analytics, and CRMs to track consumer behavior and market shifts.